Hi there, Mike Gish, MarineMax Maryland. Today I'm on the 2019 Sea Ray 290 SDX Outboard. Being the outboard boat, it's powered by twin Mercury 250s. That's their new V6, very smooth, lots of power, lots of torque, really easy to handle. Walking through the swim platform, you'll see the flip down swim step, drops down into the water. Really gives you a nice option to get in and out when you're with the family or if you have a pet that you want to get in and out. Walking through the nice transom, we have a short step through, walk through transom, stereo control back here, along with a nice aft lounge seating area, including the cup holders. On this one, you are going to notice, you see we have the nice sea deck all the way throughout as well. Very easy on the feet, easy to clean, easy to maintain. Another nice feature on the 290 SDX, a little flip down step. If you're tied up to a fixed pier, it gives you a little bit easier access to get in and out of your boat. As we move into the cockpit, again, we have this one pretty well loaded up. We have the refrigerator that's on board, cockpit table, and an onboard battery charger, as well as a full pull-out cooler. Large seating area, lots of room for people here. Easily can fit 8 comfortably in this part of the cockpit, especially if you flip around the seats that do that on both port and starboard. So both these flip around can make you a nice big entertaining space. Of course, this being an SDX, you're going to have a head, port side of the boat, vacuum flush, sink, little vented window. Moving to the helm, we have the upgraded Simrad screen. Everything you need to know about your vessel is integrated there. The engine data, GPS, depth, really everything that you need. Going back to what you have with the Mercury V8 or V6 outboards, joystick control. With the joystick control with Mercury, you're going to get the skyhook function as well as the autopilot. Really nice integration, makes the boat really easy to run. Of course, it's going to be DTS or digital shift and throttle. Very smooth transaction. There's no stiff spot where makes it a little bit harder to drive. As you can see, flip up bolster seat, room for 1+ there. Nice storage in front of the helm here. As you move forward, nice wide walkway, real easy to get into the bow of this boat. Real deep bow on this one. Lots of room to lounge out, sit out, and be comfortable, but still gives you that security of being in the boat. Get the flip down armrest. Again, storage throughout, cup holders for 4, all the way forward. Windlass. Really nice feature if you're anchoring out for the afternoon. Just makes dropping the anchor really simple. Nobody has to argue over, okay, who's got to pull the anchor out at the end of the day. Mike Gish, MarineMax Maryland, 2019 Sea Ray 290 SDX. Give us a phone call, stop into the store. We really want to show you this vessel.